Hello from Taipei, Taiwan. I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching Gadget Match. Gaming in the digital age has broken down barriers so much so that you're no longer constrained to playing on a console in front of a big TV at home. In fact, with mobile gaming on the rise, a lot of brands are stepping up to the plate to create their own gaming-focused mobile devices. The next to do so is ASUS. This is our ROG Phone Hands On. When Razer announced the Razer phone last year, we thought to ourselves, shouldn't ASUS be the one coming up with a gaming phone? After all, they have the experience building smartphones, as well as a hugely successful gaming line, ROG. Well, that time has finally come. Since this is an ROG device, the phone shares similar design cues with its laptop and PC counterparts. Apart from edges that are not as sharp and rectangular, the phone is actually easy to hold despite its size. The back is also glossy instead of matte, and like we said in our Zenfone 5Z unboxing, we like our phones with a little bit of shimmer. Here at the back, we have a dual rear camera setup with LED flash. This irregular shape is actually the fingerprint sensor. It's fast, but placed a little too high for our liking. And below that, fans with copper accents that keep the phone from overheating. Right here in the middle of the phone, the ROG logo. We like that you can pimp it up with RGB lighting. Just go to game mode, aura light, voila! No doubt this is a gaming phone. Up front, an 18:9 AMOLED HDR display, albeit with rather large bezels for 2018 standards. But we don't mind, it helps with grip when holding the phone in landscape. And we get stereo speakers. I must say, we really like this copper accent. It's a very nice touch. Another feature gamers will surely appreciate, the ROG phone has a USB-C port and a headphone jack at the bottom where they are usually located. But it's also the first smartphone to get side-mounted dual connectors, so you don't get awkward cables when charging the phone while playing in landscape mode. Because this is a gaming device, we can expect nothing but the highest specifications available. You also get a 4000 mAh battery for extended hours of gameplay. We tried playing Asphalt 8 on the phone, and it's as smooth as ever. Display is vibrant, and you won't notice any lags when switching between apps. But wait, there's more. Out of the box, the ROG phone will come with the Aero Active Cooler. It attaches to the phone like so, and gives you an extra headphone jack and USB-C port, so you can charge the phone and use headphones without obstructions. More importantly, it also provides an additional cooling system to prevent the phone from overheating. At launch, ASUS also announced other peripherals you can buy separately, so you can transform your mobile gaming experience into something else. There's the mobile desktop dock that turns your phone into a computer, allowing you to play mobile games on a PC, complete with a keyboard, mouse, and headphones. ASUS also partnered with GameVice to bring you this controller. It attaches to the phone like so. So playing games like Asphalt 8 feels more like playing with a console. And finally, you guys will love this. Twin View Dock gives you a secondary display for things like going live on Twitch. You get to play the game on the second display over here and see interactions live on the phone up here. It also gives you extra juice and helps you cool down the phone using its embedded turbo fan. So, is the ROG phone your gadget match? I know, you know what I'm going to say, it's too early to tell, but you know what, folks? The ROG phone is looking to be both a great everyday smartphone and the perfect device for mobile gamers. I know you want a review, but you'll have to wait till we can get our hands on an actual retail unit. Until then, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, follow Gadget Match on social media, and make gadgetmatch.com your daily habit. From here at Computex 2018, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.